Hi, my name is Silke Överby and I'm Chief Risk and Compliance Officer in Vipps MobilePay. Vipps MobilePay, we went from being a Norwegian company only to almost 12 million users. I would say Strise definitely helped us improve our productivity. Using the manual labor where it's most worthwhile, automating repetitive processes, and by this helping us, of course, to decrease costs. So that is very important, but also improve customer satisfaction. Being able to make low-risk decisions automated without long waiting times. That's of course extremely important. Now we are able to actually help out each other, to have streamlined processes, to have optimized processes, to have one tool, one source of truth that is collecting all the input from a lot of other sources, so you don't need to open 3 different tools, but everything consolidated in one place. The scalability, Strise is definitely a really important part. As I said, both automation, but also making sure that our manual processes are as scalable and as comparable as possible. So either you are part of the scalable automation game and work risk-based as everyone else, or you will not survive the competition. And Strise is really helping us realizing those ambitions and goals.